Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, teacher? How are you, students? Are you fine? I am Jan Ahmed Abdul Sadiq, and today we'll talk about physics. Physics, we want to talk about something in heat energy or heat. That in the specific heat. Okay? So there's something or there are some formulas we must know it to solve like other problems or to solve the exercise with me. So let us start and to see what means specific heat capacity. So it is the amount of energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram mass of a substance by 1 degree Celsius is called specific heat capacity. But let us start with some formulas. We know that for the specific heat capacity, that the formula it is C, which means the specific heat capacity. And Q, it is heat, which can be gained or lost. And for M, means the mass of the body. Okay? The mass of the body. And TF and TI, I think you know what means TF and TI. Means the final temperature and initial temperature, or the change of time. Or it can be T2 minus T1. Okay? But it means the change of temperature. But here, can you see the point here? And here also is a point. That means times. The specific heat capacity equal to the heat gained or lost over mass of the body times the change of temperature, or times the T2 times T1, or minus. Excuse me, like I make small mistake. It is minus. Here only it is the multiplication. So we can make like a crisscross to bring the formula for heat gained or lost. That means after we make by crisscross equal to Q equal to the specific heat times mass times the change of T. Okay, this is the second formula for temperature or for the specific heat capacity. And this is the first. Then let us see the third. The third, that if we want to know the mass of the body. The mass of the body, it can be also by like crisscross. It will be M equal to the heat over the specific heat of the heat times the change of the temperature. Okay? So this is the third formula. Let us see the fourth formula. That if you want to know the change of T. How to know the change of T? Like for the pot. Okay, for T2 and T1. For the pot, not only one. If it is one, it have another way. But let us for the change of T. It can be by using the crisscross method. It will be the change of T equal to Q over mass times the capacity of the heat. Okay, that means we know the fourth formula for the change of T. But if you want to know that T2 or T 1, or the final temperature and the initial temperature. That means it's like the same. We will make like Q equal to M times C times T2 minus T1. If we have this formula, and if we have like the Q given and the mass is given, C is given, T1 is given, but T2 is left, we will make like the same formula, like we'll solve here. We'll put the number for Q, we'll put the number for M, the number for C, but the T2, it will be missed, and minus T1. We will solve the times first, okay? Then after that, after we solve the times, we will shift T1 to Q, or to solve M time mass of the body times the capacity of the head times, after times you will make minus with T1. After that you will shift it, the answer for both of them, with Q. And after that, of course, because if it's negative or the number of this of 2, if it is big, that means it will be positive. But if it is small, it will be negative. And also here it will be different, because we know that the heat, it can be gained or lost. If it is lost, that by the negative way. If it is gained like by the positive, but we didn't write it, okay? We will not write positive of the number, only we will write the number directly. But if it is lost, we will make negative, okay? So that means the heat, it can be gained and lost. So after that, if we shift it here, it will be T1 plus Q. After that, the answer for T2. And the same way with T1. So I think now you know about the formulas of the specific heat capacity, and I hope that you benefit from these formulas, and you know and that you make more information about the specific heat capacity. So thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and goodbye.